Welcome back, dear learners. Before the ad break, we did calculate financial indicators and we calculated the gross profit on sales. And we agreed that when we are doing our analysis and interpretation, there are things that are very important to calculate, to compare, and to comment. And when we comment, we need to comment on the name, the trend, and we include figures. So with us here, we have the gross profit on cost of sales. In most papers you would find they'll say the business has made a markup. So this is your markup percentage, gross profit on cost of sales. This is a financial indicator that calculates the percentage of gross profit on cost of sales. The formula, it says gross profit over cost of sales multiplied by 100 over 1. So your answer must be a percentage in this case, a percentage. We are given the statement of comprehensive income ended on the 31st of December. We have 2 years, 2022. We also have the year 2023. We'll begin with calculations in 2022. What are we calculating for? The gross profit on cost of sales. In 2022, this is my 2022. My gross profit is given 46,000. There it is, 46,000. And then my cost of sales, not a problem, 63,000 there, 63. So I want you to punch these figures in your calculators. You say 46,000 divided by 63,000, then you multiply by 100 over 1. You're doing this in your calculator. How much do you get? You get 73%. This is for the year 2022. You get 73%. For the year 2023, in this year, we need to first get the gross profit. And for us to get the gross profit, I'll say my sales, which is 124,000, minus my cost of sales. Remember how we used to do it when we were preparing the statement of comprehensive income? Exactly the same way. So if I take my 124,000, which is my sales, I subtract the cost of sales, which is 69,000, then I will remain with 55,000. So I'll come here, I have my 55,000. That becomes my gross profit. Once I have my gross profit, I then come here and I'll say my gross profit over cost of sales. This is gross profit and this is cost of sales. Multiply by 100 over 1. That gives me 79.7%. Okay, let's do it again. It is 55,000 divided by 69,000. Multiply that by 100 over 1, you get 79.7%. So what did we do here? We have calculated. Okay, so what is left now? To compare. Number 3, to comment. We now compare and then we will also comment. Let us go and do that. In my comparison, I have to know this is 2022 and this is 2023. So I see that there is an increase here from 73% to 79.7%. When I now comment, including my comparison in there, I have to touch 3 aspects. That is the name, number 2, the trend, number 3, figures. All right, let's start that. The name. The gross profit on cost of sales, that is my name here, has increased. How do I know it has increased? It was 73%, now it is 79%. So it has increased. I need this. That is my trend. from 73% in 2022 to 79.7% in 2023. Very important, my dear learners, that when we do our analysis and interpretation of financial statements, we will have to comment. And when we are commenting, we bring in the name, the trend, as well as the figures. So my figures are your 73.0%. These are your figures, okay? And in 2023, it is 79.7%. These are figures. Don't forget, name, trend, figures. Name, trend, figures. Dear learners, let's go for a net break, and I'll see you shortly.